Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most unique and creative products you can find for special effects makeup. Mehron Makeup Tooth FX Black. If you're looking for the best tooth blackout solution, you've come to the right place. This product is perfect for creating a truly haunting look, whether you're aiming for a scary Halloween makeover, a cosplay character, or adding some drama to your theater performance. Mehron's Tooth FX Black is a non-toxic, paint-on formula designed to turn your teeth black for an authentic rotten tooth effect. It's ideal for Halloween costumes where you want to go all out, creating a look of decay, missing teeth, or even adding a touch of grunge to your character. If you're a fan of cosplay or theatrical productions, this is the product that'll elevate your costume and make your transformation even more believable. The application is super simple. First, you dry your teeth with a towel. Then, using the included brush, apply the Tooth FX directly onto your teeth. For the best results, you should apply it between the teeth to mimic decay or chipped teeth. And don't worry, this product stays put until you're ready to remove it. If you need to clean it off, a little isopropyl alcohol or a good old toothbrush with toothpaste will do the trick. Not only does Mehron's Tooth FX come in black, but they also offer different shades to match whatever look you're going for. If you need something to simulate nicotine stains, or even a sickly green effect, they've got you covered. The black shade, though, is perfect for those wanting to create an authentic, rotten look or even simulate a missing tooth effect. Mehron has been trusted by professionals for decades, from Hollywood makeup artists to Broadway shows. This product is no exception. It's safe, easy to apply, and stays on for as long as you need it. Plus, it's cruelty-free and made in the USA, so you can feel good about using it. Whether you're preparing for a spooky Halloween night or looking to add a gruesome touch to your costume, Mehron Makeup Tooth FX Black is the best tooth blackout product out there. With its professional-grade quality and simple application, it's the perfect tool to complete your look and take your special effects makeup to the next level. Be sure to check it out and let your creativity run wild.